Hello there, my name is Sophia, this is Face Canvas, and the video that you are watching today right now is my Spiral into Horror themed makeup. And the first thing I did is I covered my eyebrows. I concealed it by putting on a glue stick and then the Shaboi Pax paint and then powder, and I did this off screen but I put a little bit of foundation over it because Shaboi is too dark. All of the Pax paints are too dark for my skin. And then using a random brow pencil, I did a little circle just so I have a little template, if you will, a little bit of guidelines to go in. And then using my Pros-Aide prosthetic adhesive, I put a little patch of foam latex on my face, and here's my Mehron. I have no paint left, that's white, so, you know, if you ever want to send me products, Mehron, you feel free. You feel free. And I am painting a spiral using the black paint from the Paradise Paint palette. The good old Paradise Paint palette. And this part took the longest, I think. It was either that or the covering my body in white. It is kind of time consuming, but it was really cool to see my eye without an eye, if that makes any sense. It was very cool. I liked this look a lot, actually. I'm just doing my thing, and I love it. And I love doing my thing. I feel like I don't do my thing enough. Next up, what I'm doing is my cutesy little eyeliner, and I saved some room underneath, so I didn't go directly below the waterline, but I gave it a little bit of room. And then random lashes. I wanted it to look like a manga character. Manga. I say manga. I don't know if that's wrong. It's probably wrong. And then I put black on my lips with the same paint, and I'm doing the same paint on the little spiral. I'm just making everything that I just did darker because I felt like it needed more contrast. And then after that too, I used white, and I went in on the white so it's even more contrast. And I don't think I showed this on camera, but I used the ash powder. You'll see it a little bit later. But I used the ash powder to make a little bit of a shadow on the outside, so it looked like it was less painted on my face and more set in a little bit. At least that was my intentions. I hope it came across. I think it looks pretty swell. And my little eyebrow, I flooped it up instead of flooping it down, which is very unusual. It feels a little bit Tim Burton, and I kind of love it. That part I just kind of did just for fun. And you know what? It was very fun. And I'm doing all these little sketchy lines just because it is part of a manga. It's probably manga. I say manga. Whatever. And I did this little shadow underneath my chin because it's just like a really good, anytime you do a comic book thing, do that. It looks cool. And then using my silver Mehron powder with the mixing liquid, I put it on my lips to make them pop. And on my cheeks and on my under eye, I used this little guy, the Mehron ash powder, which I also use for burns. I think that's what you're supposed to use it for. This is the look. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great rest of your day. Good night.